this session, we're going to talk about configuring your display and your printing for trend graphs. I'm going to navigate to the configure tree, and let's start with Trends Display Setup. And here's where we can change the look and feel of graphs, trend graphs specifically, and web control. And note we can change pretty much everything, the background, the grid, the axes, name title, etc. All of the different line styles, the colors, the marker types, and we can do that for every graph. Now, if I do something like this, let's change the background color to yellow. Of course, now when I pull trends in web control, the graph is going to have a yellow background. We suggest that you not do this because we've kind of optimized web control trend graph display for clarity and ease of use. However, I wanted to make you aware that this functionality is here. Additionally, if you change this trend graph display, it's going to change it for every operator in the system. This is not specific to specific trend graphs or specific operators. This is a global setting. Once you change it here, it's changed for everyone, everywhere in the system. So you want to keep that in mind before you start really changing all of these colors. The same thing is true of the Trends Print setup. If you go to the Trends Print setup, you see, of course, it's going to look a little different. You don't want a black background because that wastes a lot of ink or toner when you print the graph. And again, it's the same concept. You can change background, grids, axes, all of the data series lines, styles, etc. And you can do this for every single graph. But again, it will globally affect all of the trend displays and all of the trend prints for the entire system, not just on a per operator basis. So again, we suggest you leave this at default, but if for some reason you would like to change it, this is where you would go to do so.